Hello there. Today I'd like to talk about our straight textures. Below here on the table, I have few types of our straight textures that we've been offering. We collect mainly these types: super soft fine, medium soft fine, coarse rough low luster, medium soft bleached ones. Let me demonstrate you our super soft fine straight ones now. These are really super soft and really silky soft straight ones. There are virgin, naturally glossy, silky, shiny and straight ones. Absolutely high luster, very posh and very high quality straight ponytails. Naturally moisture, natural gloss, natural silky smooth and very tight cuticles, great for wig makers. Now let me show you our medium soft fine straight ones. These straights are of a very high quality, virgin natural straights. Medium soft straights are soft, silky, shiny and great, naturally glossy, smooth and very tight cuticles as well. Medium soft touch. You can feel the softness. Great for hairstylists, weft makers, wig makers, colorists, extensionists, and etc. And now see our collection of rough, porous, also known as coarse straight ones. Naturally porous, naturally virgin and rough, very low luster and coarse straight ones. Feel its wide open cuticles, porousness, coarseness, it's coarse. The rough straights are great for African American hair match, for weaves, for wefts, for wigs, for closures and frontals, and etc. The next demo is our bleached straight ones. Bleached straight ones are mainly in soft medium touch. We bleach mainly soft, fine, medium, high luster straight ones. The bleach blondes we offer are in several available colors as you see them now. These straight bleaches are very high quality, naturally straight, naturally glossy and tight cuticles. Absolutely great for further coloring, adding tones for clip-ins, tape extensions, wigs, and etc. These bleached ones come in light bleached blondes and darker bleached blondes, as you see them now. And thank you so much. This was our straight ones, and I'd like to thank you again for your time and watching our natural straight textures. Thank you. Bye now. If you want to receive our notification for our listings, please subscribe and click bell button. Thank you.